Now, how many of you have a relationship that has gotten better with age? If it has, drink to that. Now, that's the type of aspiration for your franchise as well. Welcome back to ECMP Studios for our final episode in this series. I'm Amit Grover, and we're going to focus on sustainability and long-term success in franchising. It's about building a business that not only survives, but thrives, adapting and growing through the decades. Sustainability in franchising means establishing practices that ensure your business can endure market shifts, economic cycles, and changing consumer behavior. It's similar to a relationship built on strong foundations that allow it to weather storms and celebrate sunny days alike. Now, why should you focus on long-term success? Because the true test of a franchise's value is not just its initial popularity or profitability, but its ability to remain relevant and prosperous over time. Now, this requires foresight, commitment, and continuous adaptation, qualities that are crucial in both successful businesses and relationships. How many of you have those? How many of you can say, "This is me"? Now, here's how you can drive sustainability and long-term success in your franchise. Number one, innovative practices. You have to stay ahead of industry trends and continually innovate to keep your franchise fresh and appealing. Number two, community engagement. It is critical that you build strong ties with the local community. This ensures your franchise is seen as a valuable part of the neighborhood, much like being a good partner in a long-term relationship. Number three, environmental responsibility. Adopt sustainable practices that minimize your environmental impact and appeal to eco-conscious consumers. By focusing on these areas, you create a franchise that not only stands the test of time, but also sets a benchmark for excellence and responsibility in the industry. Now, as we wrap up this series, I hope you have gained insights that will help you build a franchise poised for success. From selecting the right location to ensuring your operations are efficient and sustainable, each step is crucial in crafting a business legacy. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you have enjoyed the series and found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Do you have questions or thoughts about building sustainable success in franchising? Share them in the comments below or contact us directly at ECMP. We are here to help you keep planning, keep learning, and as always, keep it real. Stay